Here are some ideas for conditioning exercises for belly dancers, but first let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought that athletes do not focus just on their main sport activity? They hit gym a lot, and dancers are partially athletes too. So, in order to get to advanced level, at some point you will need to tap into extra strengthening, stretching and cardio workouts. The good news are there is a variety of options to choose from. So in this video, you will see example of first, basic fitness exercise to engage and activate your abs and obliques. Then, how you can do and train them in more dancey way. And finally, where exactly it would apply in belly dance technique that may not be obvious right away, but that's actually where we use those muscles, so we need to train them in advance. These are short clips from full 20-minute tutorials. If you want to see the full workouts, go to the Iana Dance Club and tap into them. It's ianadanceclub.com. I will leave link in the description to the video. Enjoy your training. And we're gonna go up, squeeze everything in, touch the floor with your toes and your fingers. Squeeze, touch the floor. Squeeze, touch the floor. Lean both of your legs towards this direction. So you're basically twisting to the side. The knee doesn't need to reach the floor. It's just as long as you feel the twist and you feel that your both shoulders are touching the floor, so you're not going towards your leg. You keep your upper body on the floor, but anything waist and down is twisted. We are fine. From this position, put both of your arms behind your head. And we are gonna do regular crunches up in this position. Make sure that now you're not starting twisting towards your knee. No. We go directly towards the ceiling. 4. One leg, you pull your hip up and down. Up and down. This is not a motion, you're not pressing from the floor with your knee. You're trying to isolate muscles and put up, down. Make sure that when you're pulling it up, you're not twisting it. No, right now we are working just up, down, up, down. It's okay if the movement is small, but what we want is literally to isolate and to feel the work in this area. This and hips too, but mainly we want to activate here. Very nice. Now come back to the first leg and we are gonna do forward, pull up, side, pull up and slightly back, pull up. What I want you to pay attention to is how differently your muscles activate. Instead of just bringing the hip down, I'm gonna do it through undulation and almost like a belly roll. So 1, 2. My hip from up, it went down just like we did, but I did, instead of simple movement, I did it through small undulation, so I'm engaging my spine, but it's almost like belly rolls because I'm engaging my belly muscles a lot too. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All those principles apply. I do not skip the side part of my figure 8. I lift my heel to add volume. I bring my hip every time down. And I forward my legs and knees close to each other and in center, inward. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you want to study with me more in depth and on a regular basis, check out the Iana Dance Club, where I post full classes, full dance workouts on different topics, as well as choreography explanations and dance-related lectures. You can find all details at ianadanceclub.com. It's ianadanceclub.com. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share it with your friend.